Hello everyone, welcome to the Twinr tutorial. So in this tutorial, I will discuss about how you can set up Android and iOS push notification in your Twinr application. So first of all, I already have my Twinr portal open here and I have my application listed down all the here. So let me click on one of my application, which is ecommerce, in which we will be setting up push notification today. So I'm clicking on this application. Okay, and now I'll go to the push notification menu here, go to the view details, and then under the enable push notification, I'll enable this, and it is asking me to upload two different files here. Okay, so let's see how we can generate Google Service info.plist file and Google Service.json file. So to do that, we are providing push notification using Firebase. So we need to go to the Firebase console. Okay, so let me go to my Gmail account here. So to go to the Firebase, what you need to do, you just need to write down firebase.google.com in your browser. Okay, and then on the top right corner here, click on Go to Console button. Okay, once you will be here, if you don't have any application created, any project created, then first of all, you need to create a project. Okay, so I'm clicking on the Create Project button here, and I am naming it ecommerce. Okay, and then I confirm to the privacy policy or their terms and conditions and then continue. So in the next step, they are asking me if I want to enable Google Analytics for my Firebase project. If you want to enable it, then enable it. If you don't, then you can disable this as well. But it is recommended to keep it enabled and it's free to use. So yeah, why not? Then continue and then configure Google Analytics. So it says that default account for Firebase. If you want to create a specific account for that, then use it. Otherwise, you just select this one and that's it. And create project. So once the project will be created, we will be able to create plist file and JSON file. So let's wait until this process gets finished. Yeah, it's almost there. Okay, so it's done. And now let's click on the continue button here. Okay, and you see we have this little nice console here. Okay, so first thing we need to do, we need to click on this settings here on the project settings, click on the project settings. Okay, and under the cloud messaging, or even before that, we don't have any application. So under the general here, we need to click on the iOS application. So first of all, we need to add our bundle identifier here. So this should be similar that you have entered in Twinr here. So I'm using this one, com.ecommerce.app, copy it and paste it here. My application name, it's optional. So still I'm entering that information and then register app. Okay, when you will register an application here, it will provide this plist file to us. So just download this file. Okay, then click on next. We don't need to do anything here. Skip all these things. Next and continue to console. And that's it. So you see, now we have this iOS application created here. So we already got our plist file. So that's our first step, which we need for our iOS application. Okay, now we also need, if we go to push notification here and view details and enable this, so we also need .json file, which is for Android. Okay, so what we do, now we click on add up button again. We click on the Android icon here. And again, we enter our package name, which is similar to what we have on Twinr. Application name, ecommerce, right? And register app. And that's it. Once it will be done, we will have, okay, so now you see we have our Google services.json file ready. Download this file. Again, click next. You don't need to do anything here. Next, continue to console, and we are done. So we have one Android application created, one iOS application created here, and we have both the file available here. Okay, so let's go to Builder again, and then we need to upload .plist file. So I have this plist file available here. I'll upload it, and then I have my JSON file. So I'll upload the JSON file here and upload it. Okay, that's it, done. So push notification is enabled in your application now. Okay, so for iOS, there is one last step to remain. So now let's verify that if I click on this push notification and view detail again, our push notification is enabled here. Okay, so to send push notification to Android and iOS devices, Android is already done. We don't need to do anything extra for that. But for iOS, we need to provide one extra information. So to do that, you need to go to your Apple developer account. So just write down developer.apple.com like this. Okay. Under your account, you might purchased your Apple Store, Apple developer account already. If not, then it will be required to set up push notification. Okay. Go to certificate IDs and profiles here. Okay. And then under this menu, go to keys and then click on the plus button. Once you click on it, enter the key name here like app push notification key, something like this, and select this first option, Apple push notification service. Click on this, and that's it. You don't need to select any other options here. Continue, and then register. Okay, now you just download this key, which will provide you .p8 file here. Okay, and then you are done. Okay, now go to the Google Firebase Console again. Okay, and under the cloud messaging, go to iOS application here, and it requires this file here, apns auth key. Okay, so we just need to upload this key here, and that's it. So we browse our file, .p8 file, done. Key ID we need to enter. So our key ID is this one. We can get it from here. Okay, and we need to enter the team ID as well. So we can get the team ID by clicking on the view membership button from here. Okay, and then under the membership, you will get the team ID from here, and that's it, done. And upload the key. Okay, so everything is done here. So now push notification is enabled in your Android and iOS applications successfully. Now next time when you request your build and install your install your applications in your mobiles, right, you will be able to send push notifications. So that's it for this video. In next video, I'll also discuss about how you can send push notification to your Android and iOS applications using Firebase Console. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.